Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Through this video here you can see a video of a flower garden, and through this lesson here we will know about some of the names of beautiful flowers that are given both in Bengali and English. So let's begin with the first one. Here you can see first one, Chapa, Champok, Joba, China rose, Kadgulap, dog rose, Tagore, Pholput, Gandharas, gardenia. Then Gada, very beautiful one. Here you can see marigold, marigold. Then Rajanigandha, tuberose, Korobi, oleandra, Surjamukhi, sunflower. Then Kamini, China box, daisy, daisy, shapla ba shaluk, water lily, poddo phul, lotus, orchid, orchid, daffodil, daffodil, tulip, tulip, golap, rose, palash, bustard, teak, mala, garland, jhumka, very beautiful one, passion flower, jui, jasmine, shefali, night jasmine, then nishipoddo, night queen, then hasna henna, night blooming jasmine. So thanks for watching. Bye.